Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE T10E, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Once that's the case for you, simply hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the flash along with this annoying sound and a pop-up at the bottom with share and edit options, and after a moment it will disappear. Now once the little pop-up disappears, you can find the screenshot in your Photos application in the Google folder, and here you'll find on the side library, which will have a screenshot album, and in this album you can find the captured screenshot. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.